If you're looking for a fun new way to help your kids with their writing and reading and grammar, then today you're in for a treat because I'm going to show you a look inside Night Zookeeper. Hey guys, it's Vani from Mrs. Mom's Homeschool and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a homeschooling mom to 3 kids. I've been homeschooling since 2012 and I make videos to help you on your homeschooling and motherhood journey. So make sure to check out my playlists and videos for more details. And if you like what you see, consider subscribing. So today I want to take you guys into Night Zookeeper. I'm sure you guys have seen this ad all around YouTube and on Instagram and on Facebook. Night Zookeeper is based off of a book series by Joshua Davidson, and it was his passion to create a website where kids can use their imagination and help them improve their writing skills. It was created to help children love writing while improving their word choice, correcting grammar, and avoiding common mistakes. They're also provided with enjoyable writing prompts and different styles of writing to help them develop their fluency and find their creative voice. This program is perfect for homeschoolers and has over 1,000 games and activities that increase vocabulary and improve spelling through sentence puzzles and challenges to help develop grammar and structure skills. So let's take a look inside. If you're interested in the program afterwards, make sure you check the link in the description below, where you can get a free 7-day trial and then 50% off your annual subscription. When you first start Night Zookeeper, your child is able to begin creating their own Night Zookeeper using their computer to actually draw the character. Throughout the stories, they are also able to draw different animals that become characters inside their stories. They get a chance to read the stories of other children. They also get their own little login. They earn orbs for writing that allow them to buy different things. Your child is able to see the progress of other children, and it shows the different countries that they are from. It shows the words, lessons, challenge games, and points that the other children have. Inside their zoo, they're able to hatch different animals and uncover more areas of land as they begin to write. Here you'll see a little picture of a character my son drew, and here a little message pops up and you can click on this and it can be read to your child.
My best times of the day are breakfast, lunch, and dinner because I love eating. Can you write about your favorite foods?
And there's a writing prompt. You press the check mark and then it tells you how to get more orbs. Write about your favorite foods and why you like them. Use 2 adjectives in your writing, that gets your child an orb. Use 2 verbs in your writing, that gets them an orb. And then use the transition words until now and in addition when linking up their ideas. They are then be able to start writing, and as they use those words up and those different writing prompts, the different things, challenges they were given, they earn some orbs that go up here. Here he has a chest that he has to open up, and they have different items that he's able to win. All of the different things that he's won, which are things that other children have drawn, and you can put it on your characters. He'll probably laugh when he sees that fish with the hair that I put up there. Here you have some games and you have some challenges. Here you have a place to write and a place to work. You can swap different items with other users, and you have your zoo map. And here we have another writing prompt.
Time to exercise that big brain of yours.
Okay, so this teaches about apostrophes.
Apostrophes and other people. Tips. You can use an apostrophe when you're describing something that belongs to multiple people. Which one of these sentences is missing an apostrophe?
Then he gets to go through the quiz to see which sentence is missing an apostrophe. You see what games we have here. He has to type the words to defeat the bad guys. Okay, so this also helps him with typing, which is really fun. It's a good way. So if you're doing a typing course, you don't need it if you're doing this too. And then in the challenges, if you click on that, it asks if you want to play a game. And here's a waterfall word jumble game. Okay, so then I guess he has to, what, click them? Okay, so then I guess you have to put them in order. I'm doing really bad at this. I love writing. Yay, there you go. And then you keep putting the words in order to create a sentence. So as you can see, there's thousands of games, there's lots of items, there's lots of writing prompts. You get to create your own characters. You got a chance to see his little character here. You can add animals, you get to unlock different things. Here is a list of his writings and any drafts that he has. Looks like he has 3 drafts here that he needs to finish. These are the heroes that he's rescued so far. And there is so much more. I hope you guys enjoyed that little sneak peek into Night Zookeeper. This is an awesome program. My son enjoys it, and it really has been getting him to get over his writer's block and come up with some creative ideas and push him towards improving his writing skills through the use of games and activities, and also having that community of other kids that are also using this. If you guys are interested, make sure you guys check out nightzookeeper.com. There you can watch a video and you can go through the program and look at the reviews of the different parents and things like that. Don't forget to check out the description below for that coupon code that I have provided for you guys. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.